Hello and welcome. In today's video we're going to talk about users in AccuCampus. You can use your current student information system and you can create CSV or comma separated value files that can be imported into AccuCampus. There are certain rules that need to be established. In order to learn about those rules, please click Advanced Options, Import. In this screen you can check the documentation and do the imports. In this case we're going to click View Documentation right here. We're going to select what type of import we want. In this case is user for all students. You are going to be presented with an explanation for each one of these files. Right here you can see an example and you can even download the example. After checking the documentation and making sure you are completely knowledgeable about this process and you have checked the file that's given as an example, then you can proceed to do the import by clicking Upload your files right here. You're going to be taken to the previous screen and here you're going to select what type of import you want. In this case is user for all students. And we're going to upload a file right here. Let's search for that example that you saw in the previous screen right here. Let's open. Then you're going to see a preview to check that everything is okay. As you can see, it's green. All columns seems to be valid. That is giving you a clue that everything seems to be okay. And now you can click Import File and this data is going to be entered into AccuCampus. If you want to do scheduling, you're going to need to download the Data Exchange tool. Please click this link to download the Data Exchange tool. Then proceed to install the application. Once you open the application, you're going to see something like this. You're going to select AccuCampus from the list, hit Next. Please type in the information for domain, user, email, and password. In the next screen, for import options, you're going to be able to select what type of import you're doing. In this case, user for all students right here. You can check the documentation if you need to do so, and you can search for the path for the CSV containing the information. Just click here. In this case, we're going to search for the same example that we downloaded previously. The system is going to ask me, where do you want to save the import script? This is the same script that we are going to run to execute the import, and it's the same script that we are going to use to do a scheduled job in Windows. I'm going to save it in the desktop. I'm going to give it a name. And now the system is going to ask me if I want to create a scheduled task to run this batch file. In this case, I'm going to say no, because I rather do this in Windows Scheduler. So I'm going to say no. And now we're going to open Windows Scheduler and we are going to create a new schedule, a basic task. We're going to hit Next. I want to create this daily. You can do daily, weekly, monthly on all these options that you see here. I want to do daily at 11 p.m. I want to start a program, which is that bat file that we created. We're going to search for it. This is the one. Next. And finish. Now, as you can see here, I have a new task in my Windows Scheduler. I can open it. If I want to see the properties, You can do some changes. For example, it's a lot better if you, instead of just running it only when user is logged on, to select the run whether user is logged on or not. So it will always be running, and that's it. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.